Hi, I'm Evan. No, you're Ethan, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Bilibili. I'm a Chinese student and English is my second language, so I'm not so fluent in that. But I'll try my best to make this video comprehensible. First, you want to type bilibili.com to go to this page. Notice it's not bilibili.tv, it's a different website. After you've done this, you will find this page is all in Chinese. So this video is dedicated for foreigners who don't know how to use this platform because it's all in Chinese, and especially to Evan Jolley, who is the first content creator on this platform that I saw who came up with this question. I don't know if he has figured it out now. If you don't know who Evan Jolley is, you can type Evan Jolley in the search bar. Oh wait, actually, he's on the home page. What the heck? A couple of days ago, this video has only 100,000 views, but now it has 1 million views. Well, I guess a lot of people come to a party since then. Anyway, you can search Evan Jolley and it will lead you to this page. You just post a new video 14 minutes ago and click this into his homepage to find out more. Yeah. This is the first video that I watched on his channel because I like to watch language learning channels in my spare time. And he is a hardworking, good-looking Harvard graduate who used to stutter, which is like a physical problem, that he can't speak English fluently, that he couldn't speak English fluently. Unlike me, I'm just stupid. What I did is called self-mocking, which is like a way that Americans show their humor based on one of his videos. So you should definitely go to his channel to check it out yourself. Back to the topic. If you're in an English-speaking country, the Chrome will probably pop up a window that asks you whether you like to translate this page. You can click English to translate this page. Sometimes this icon is not here for some reason. And if you decline this kind request, and if you accidentally decline this kind request, I don't know why you did that, but if you did, it's not the end of the world. You can do this by right-click anywhere blank on this page and click Translate into English. This can also be done by clicking More. It's this icon on the top right corner. It's like 3 dots in a line. Click that. And here you will find Translate into English. I would also like to introduce a plugin to you. It's called Immersive Translation. You can click the plugin icon, which looks like a piece of puzzle, just next to the More icon that I clicked. Click that. And here, well, mine is in Chinese, but yours probably gonna be Manage Your Plugins. Click this button and go to the left side of this new page. Click Find More Plugins and Theme in the Chrome Application Store. This will lead you to a new page and you type in Immersive Translation into the search bar and here it is. It's the pink one. Click that. And here, this blue button, probably gonna be add this plugin to your Chrome. You can also click this website, immersivetranslation.com. On the top right corner, you can translate this page into your language. And you can install the browser plugin here. There are other options for different browsers. If you're in China, this page probably not gonna work due to the firewall. So what you want to do is go to this crxsoso.com. On the right, there's a rank. And here you can find the immersive translation. It's the same thing, but not updated. Click that and it will lead you to this page here. Install this to your, it will lead you into this new page here. Click this, install it to your browser. If you want to know specific steps, here is a link for how to install this plugin on different browsers. Once you have successfully add this plugin to your browser, it's probably gonna be here. Mine is pinned, so this icon is always shown here. Click that, and you're probably gonna create an account, and you're probably gonna create an account to log in. Once you're logged in, and here it's the original language. Here is the target language. You can choose yours. Here's the service, which means what kinds of translator you want to use. There are 6 free translators and advanced ones with AIs, but it's for premium users. If you're in China, Google Translate probably not gonna work. If you're in China, Google Translate is probably not gonna work. So, Zhipu Big Model is a better option. Let's go to the Bilibili page and try that. Show the original one and click translate it into English. Yeah, what's good about this is that it shows the original language and the targeted language at the same time. Well, I'm using a laptop, so this page is not, well, I'm using a laptop, so the screen is not big enough, so I'm probably gonna zoom out a little bit to show the full page. Yeah. I'm just gonna show the original page and zoom back. You can also see here, you can show the translation only or show both the languages. And it can always translate this side, hover to translate, select text to translate, or always translate simplified Chinese page. And this is another feature that I really liked. It's called auto-enable bilingual captions, and I will show that in a minute. It can also translate PDFs and so on. I'm gonna stay with Chinese because it's the normal size of the page. If you want to, let's say, watch this video of Evan Jolley's, click that.
I just hit 100,000 followers.
And here, this little window tells you to log in, or you're gonna watch this video for 30 seconds. So we need an account to see the whole video. And here, I'm gonna translate this page into English to let you know, and zoom out a little bit. Here, after logging in, you can watch HD videos for free and post comments. The icon here means bullet comments, which is a feature YouTube doesn't have. It's also called bullet titles, if you like. And you can have multi-terminal synchronous playback records and watch the most popular TV series and movies. So we need an account. Click here to register. What you want to do is to switch to this SMS login and try to find your country code. What you want to do is switch to this SMS login and click here. Find the code for your country. Well, I'm in New Zealand right now, so New Zealand country code is 64. Yeah, here it is, 64. It's bugging. I don't know why. I'm gonna switch back to Chinese. It still says 86, which is the country code for China, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So type in your phone number. Get the SMS code. And here it pops up a verification. It's in Chinese, but don't panic. Just look at the character. This is very complicated, so you click this first, and this is much simpler. And click confirm. No, it's not working. Oh, okay. Let's do this again. 凤尾酥 confirm. What? Okay. 米饭 and type in the SMS code. Click register. And voila, we have a new account. Notice that you are level 0. Now let me translate this page into English. And zoom out a little bit. As level 0, you cannot enjoy any privileges. Become a full member. You can become a full member. You can log in to get coins, launch personalized beverage, participate in community interaction. So it's better to level up. And here it says answer the question to get a positive upgrade to level 1. Well, this can be done by if you have a friend who already has a Bilibili account and his account is above level 5, he has a code to invite you to this platform and you don't have to answer the questions. It's kind of strange, but it's a tradition. And if you don't have a friend like that, and you want to level up to level 1, you have to answer the question. The question is in Chinese, so let's see if this works. Yeah, it works. The immersive translation works. So you can zoom out. So you can zoom in and see the questions. It's like a test, but don't worry. First, why should we eat more vegetables and fruits? Suppose that I'm stupid. There's a hint to click the first one, but let's suppose that I'm stupid. And I think we should eat more vegetables because we need to sleep well. Boo-boo. Yeah, it will show you this is wrong. And notice that you are not losing scores for that. And always click the right one, you get the score. After you reach 60 points, you can pass this test. So you can just randomly click the icon. You can just randomly click the buttons, and no worries if you made any mistakes. But I think after 40 questions, there will be a punish if you click the white. But I think after 40 questions, you cannot do that. If you answer the question, if you choose the wrong option, you will not get any score. But it's highly likely that you will pass this test. The test 10 years ago used to be really difficult. It's much easier now, but you can also taste of what it feels like 10 years ago by doing the questions after 60 points. Yeah, there we go. And once you're logged in, you can watch the full video. Let me use my channel for an example. So you can also see the immersive translation button here. If you turn on the captions, which is like this, 字幕, it's in Chinese. It's like something that cuts in half. It's like something that is cut in half. So remember that. You can click that on. And I posted my own subtitles. So.
自我介绍一下，我是新人。
Yeah. And here it is. The translate. Here it is, the CC, the subtitles. Because mine already has English translations, so let's try to translate this into Japanese, for example. Yeah.
如果是
Let's refresh this page.
如果是挺珍惜现在的这个 UP 主，我估计应该是完了。
There we go. It's
自我介
translated
绍一下，
into
我是
Japanese.
新人 UP 主兼 VTuber。
And this also works on YouTube. So see, I turn the subtitles on and auto enable bilingual captions.
如果是
Maybe gonna refresh that.
Hello 前来考古的朋友们逮到，希望我以后的弹幕可以是
Yeah,
更
it
开心的
shows
地
the
方。
Japanese
如
translation.
果是
That
珍
comes
惜现在的这个 UP 主，
that comes in very handy if you're trying to learn a foreign language.
我估计应该是完了。
It shows both captions at the same time.
自我介绍一下，我是新人 UP 主。
Well, the thing is, some videos on Bilibili, they don't have closed captions. And it's all in Chinese. Well, my solution for that is in App Store, there's a application called Be My Ears. And it can capture the audio and translate into, it's called Be My Ears, and it can capture the audio and show the text of it. But it's not accurate. But it's not that accurate right now when it comes to capturing Chinese audio. So I'm wondering if there's a better solution. Please comment. I'm wondering if there's a better solution. Please comment below if you have a better suggestion. So I'm wondering if there's a better solution. Please comment below if you know one. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy your time on Bilibili. I'll see you in the next time. Bye.